Volkswagen has unveiled the highly anticipated third generation of the Tiguan, marking a world premiere for the popular compact SUV. The Tiguan has earned its place as one of Volkswagen's global bestsellers, with over 7.6 million units sold since its debut in 2007. Enthusiasts can look forward to seeing the new Tiguan at dealerships as early as the first quarter of 2024. This new iteration of the Tiguan introduces significant technological advancements thanks to the MQB Evo platform. Notably, it incorporates new hybrid drivetrains that offer an impressive all-electric range of approximately 100 kilometers, enhancing the SUV's efficiency. Additionally, AC charging will be quicker across all e-hybrid versions, and fast DC charging will become a standard feature. The interior receives a tech makeover, boasting a sleek digital cockpit based on the fourth-generation modular infotainment matrix (MIB4). This system provides comprehensive information, digital services, and user-friendly apps. The vehicle's operating concept is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. In the realm of premium features, the Tiguan doesn't disappoint. It adopts advanced systems like pneumatic massage seats for the front passengers and the IQ.Light HD matrix headlights, previously seen in the premium Touareg model. The introduction of Adaptive Chassis Control DCC Pro enhances both comfort and dynamics, while the latest Park Assist system simplifies parking maneuvers. Externally, the Tiguan showcases a fresh design with striking features. Its front end boasts flat LED headlights and a glass-covered horizontal strip, and the radiator grille openings have been repositioned for improved aerodynamics. The rear end is accentuated by a horizontal LED strip. Inside the cabin, the Tiguan offers a completely revamped concept and design, emphasizing high-quality materials and craftsmanship. The cockpit layout is intuitive and integrated, featuring the digital cockpit, a large infotainment screen, a new head-up display, and an innovative multifunction driving experience switch with an integrated OLED display. Natural language commands can be used with the new IDA voice assistant for various vehicle and infotainment functions. Under the hood, the Tiguan lineup includes various drive options, from turbo diesel and gasoline engines to mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid systems. The MQB Evo platform also paves the way for a new generation of running gear, with enhancements to the Adaptive Chassis Control DCC and the integration of a Vehicle Dynamics Manager. Safety is a priority, with standard features such as side assist, front assist, lane assist, rear view camera, and dynamic road sign display. Optional systems include the Advanced Park Assist Pro and Trailer Assist for ease of trailer maneuvering. Despite a slight increase in length, the Tiguan's clever use of space results in a more capacious luggage compartment, offering increased cargo capacity of 652 liters when loaded up to the height of the rear seat backrests. In summary, the third-generation Volkswagen Tiguan combines cutting-edge technology, elevated comfort, and practicality improvements, making it an attractive choice in the competitive compact SUV segment. Its release in early 2024 promises a refined and feature-rich driving experience for consumers worldwide.